Hello everyone! Happy September 15th. Today we celebrate linguistic heritage, environmental care, and the joy of felt hats. Let's explore 3 unique events. These celebrations are perfect for gifting, even just to show appreciation. And if you missed out, don't worry. More inspiring events are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Hispanic Heritage Month, which starts today, honoring the rich culture, history, and contributions of Hispanic communities. A meaningful gift could be a bilingual children's book, a handcrafted item from Latin America, or a donation to a cultural organization. What traditions do you love celebrating? Let's honor heritage in the comments. Next, it's Greenpeace Day, a tribute to environmental activism and protecting our planet. A thoughtful gift could be a reusable product bundle, a donation to an eco-charity, or a tree planted in someone's name. How are you going green today? Let's share sustainable ideas below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Felt Hat Day. A stylish nod to vintage fashion and cozy headwear. A fun gift could be a custom felt hat, a hat care kit, or a fashion guide for hat lovers. What's your favorite hat style? Let's tip our hats in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 16th to 20th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.